Breeding Beagles, Pregnancy and Breeding Considerations. Beagle pregnancy and breeding considerations. Breeding dogs can be a rewarding experience, but it requires careful planning and consideration. One of the popular dog breeds for breeding is the Beagle, known for its friendly nature and adorable appearance. However, before deciding to breed your Beagle, it is essential to understand the pregnancy and breeding considerations associated with this breed. Beagle pregnancy. When considering breeding your Beagle, you need to have a good understanding of the Beagle's pregnancy process. The average gestation period for a Beagle is around 63 days, but it can vary between 58 and 68 days. It is crucial to note the date of breeding to determine the approximate due date for the puppies. During the pregnancy, it is vital to provide your Beagle with proper nutrition and care. A balanced diet rich in essential nutrients is necessary for the mother's health and the growth of healthy puppies. Consult your veterinarian for advice on the appropriate diet for your pregnant Beagle. It is also advisable to provide sufficient exercise for your pregnant Beagle. However, it is important to monitor the activity level and avoid excessive stress or strain on the mother. Regular vet checkups are essential to ensure the health of the mother and the growing puppies. Beagle breeding considerations. Breeding a Beagle requires proper planning and consideration to ensure responsible breeding practices. Here are some important points to consider before breeding your Beagle. 1. Health checks. Before considering breeding, ensure that your Beagle is in good health. Regular visits to the veterinarian for checkups, vaccinations, and health screenings are crucial. Screening for genetic disorders such as hip dysplasia and eye problems is essential to avoid passing on hereditary diseases to the puppies. 2. Age of maturity. Beagles reach sexual maturity between the ages of 6 to 12 months, but it is recommended to wait until they are at least 2 years old before breeding. Breeding too young can increase the risk of complications during pregnancy and delivery. 3. Selecting a suitable mate. Choosing the right mate for your Beagle is crucial. Look for a healthy, genetically sound dog with a good temperament. Consider factors such as size, color, and coat type to ensure desirable traits in the puppies. For responsible breeding, breeding should be done responsibly, focusing on the overall health and well-being of the breed. Aim to improve the breed's quality and avoid breeding for profit or creating more puppies without proper care plans. It is essential to have a responsible breeding program with a focus on finding suitable homes for the puppies. 5. Breeding contracts. Establishing clear breeding contracts with the new owners of the puppies is important to ensure responsible ownership. These contracts should include provisions for spaying/neutering, health guarantees, and the return of the dog if the new owner cannot care for it. Conclusion. Breeding Beagles can be a rewarding experience, but it requires careful planning and consideration. Understanding the Beagle's pregnancy process and breeding considerations is essential to ensure responsible breeding practices. Providing proper nutrition, exercise, and veterinary care during the pregnancy is crucial for the health of the mother and the puppies. Responsible breeding practices focus on improving the breed's quality and finding suitable homes for the puppies. By following these considerations, you can ensure a successful and fulfilling breeding experience with your Beagle.